Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will review the top 5 best 3D printers available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for the latest updates. So, without taking more of your time, let's jump right into it. When it comes to choosing the best 3D printers, the market is packed with options that cater to different needs, preferences, and budgets. After trying out several of the top contenders, here are the 5 best 3D printers that truly stand out. Number 5. Prusa Core One. The original Prusa Core One stands out as a business-focused 3D printer thanks to its exceptional reliability, print consistency, and seamless workflow integration. In daily use, it delivers some of the highest print quality available from an FDM machine, supported by excellent mechanical stability and a rigid, enclosed Core XY all-metal design built for continuous, production-style operation. Setup is straightforward, and features such as automatic bed leveling, filament sensors, and advanced extruder calibration ensure predictable results across a wide range of materials, from PLA to engineering-grade ASA. Integration with Prusa Slicer and Prusa Connect enables centralized monitoring and job management, making it easy to operate multiple printers within the same ecosystem. While the build volume is smaller than some industrial alternatives and spare parts can be costly, the overall dependability and long-term consistency justify the investment. With the MMU3 still to come, the Core One remains an excellent long-term choice for business and prototyping environments. Number 4. Bambu Lab X1C. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, or X1C, is a common sight in educational settings and offers a straightforward and fast 3D print solution. In my experience, the AMS system, AI-guided calibration, and enclosed Core XY build make it a great choice for use in the classroom or lab where consistency and reliability matter. In fact, one is used by the team in the engineering department at Wiltshire College for this very reason. From the moment it's unboxed, the X1C feels refined with a high level of product design that separates the Bambu Lab printers from the majority of others. The AMS, Automatic Material System, handles up to 4 filaments, enabling automatic color and material transitions during a single print. When the accuracy and speed are combined with AI-driven bed probing and calibration, the setup process is generally fast and largely hands-off, ideal when multiple users or classes share one machine. The enclosed Core XY design ensures thermal stability, reducing warping and maintaining consistent print quality across long sessions, and also enables lecturers and students to experiment with advanced materials such as ASA and nylon. Prints come out accurate with sharp edges, even on intricate models, and the ability to add support material alongside different colored filaments all adds to the potential of what you can print and create. The machine is based on Core XY, ensuring impressive speed, meaning that simple single-filament prints finish faster than many budget alternatives without sacrificing finish quality. Multi-filament prints are slower and, like most multi-filament options, there is the waste to contend with. Still, the X1 Carbon's workflow and straightforward touchscreen combined with remote monitoring means that as a lecturer, teacher, student, or lab technician, you can focus on the class rather than watching the machine. That reliability and ease of use are what make it stand out in an education environment, where printers must just work or sit there gathering dust. That said, the X1C isn't perfect. The build volume is limited at 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, so larger projects will need to be split into parts. Then there's the AMS system, which, while brilliant, does add cost and some complexity for maintenance compared to simpler single-filament machines, and spare part replacement, e.g. filament drive modules, can be pricier. Having the X1C running most of the time, I can confirm it wins on consistency. Students get a quality print to learn from, and downtime is minimal. It's fast, reliable, and smart, everything a school or university needs. That's why the X1C is my choice for the best for education category. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is an excellent choice for individuals or small businesses seeking an intuitive, compact, and beginner-friendly 3D printer that still offers room to grow. Having used multiple generations of Anycubic machines, I have consistently found them reliable once set up, and the addition of the multi-filament ACE Pro system significantly expands creative potential through straightforward multicolor printing. Build quality is solid, with a sturdy frame and clear assembly instructions, followed by an intuitive touchscreen that guides users through largely automatic calibration. Auto bed leveling is accurate and remains consistent even after extended use. The ACE Pro multi-filament unit, while requiring its own power supply, simplifies filament changes and color transitions, delivering an almost plug-and-play 4-color printing experience. Print quality is generally very good, with clean overhangs, minimal ridging, and easily removable supports. While it cannot match the precision of high-end Core XY machines, it produces more than adequate results for figurines, props, and functional prototypes. Speed settings are easy to understand and well-balanced between quality and print time. Although material waste during color changes is unavoidable and build volume is modest at 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters, Anycubic's strong community support and excellent documentation make the Kobra 3 combo a dependable, low-fuss solution for beginners and hobbyists alike. Number 2. Creality Hi. When I first tested the Creality Hi, I genuinely had to recheck the price, as the quality of the output felt difficult to reconcile with how affordable the machine is. Since that initial review, it has become a firm favorite and a regular recommendation for anyone looking to explore multicolor printing without stepping into premium price territory. Assembly is quick and straightforward, and the printer immediately impresses with a solid chassis, a responsive touchscreen, automatic bed leveling, and a built-in camera, features that are still uncommon at this level. Out of the box, the Creality Hi supports up to 4 colors through its multi-filament system, making it particularly attractive to hobbyists, crafters, and creative users. In day-to-day use, print quality is consistently good, with strong bed adhesion ensuring prints remain secure throughout longer jobs. Bridging and overhang performance also hold up well, producing clean and reliable results across a range of models. The integrated camera enables basic remote monitoring through Creality print software, and while it is not as advanced as higher-end systems, it remains a genuinely useful addition. Most of the setup and calibration process is handled automatically, removing much of the frustration often associated with first prints. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and Creality's user interface is logically laid out and easy to navigate. There are some limitations. Dimensional accuracy can trail behind more expensive machines on very fine details. The open frame design limits material compatibility, and filament changes generate noticeable waste. Strong bed adhesion can also make small or delicate prints harder to remove. Despite this, the Creality Hi delivers a surprisingly premium experience, making it an excellent value option for creative multicolor printing. Number 1. Bambu Lab H2D Full Laser Combo. The H2D Full Laser Combo is a bit outside of the usual mainstream 3D printing machine, as essentially it features a range of tool heads for different functions, including laser engraving, cutting, and digital cutting. Those tools aside, the 3D printing heart of this machine is still exceptional, and while there are some quirks, the fact that it offers 5 filament printing out of the box, with the option to print up to 16 with a few additions, makes it stand out. The H2D comes in 2 versions, the straight 3D print and the full laser combo, which the straight 3D print version can be upgraded to. Both are multi-material print ready and offer a large build volume with a dual nozzle hot end system that helps dramatically speed up dual filament printing and, to a degree, helps to reduce multi-filament print times as well. The dual nozzle also dramatically reduces filament waste for multicolor or multi-material prints, helping you to save money. One of the big benefits of the H2D is its heated chamber and all-metal hot end, ensuring that it can handle complex models and more demanding filaments such as ABS and ASA. Through the test, the print quality was consistent, with the kind of precision you'd expect from a commercial unit. Having the option to swap tool heads means that the H2D is packed with creative potential, making it a great choice if you want to experiment across a range of different media and disciplines, all without needing several separate machines. There are, of course, a few downsides to the H2D, in as far as it does wield a higher price point than many other enthusiast printers, and the various add-ons, such as the laser and AMS units, will require a bit of workspace and organization. Personally, I found switching between toolheads to be intuitive once I'd done it a few times, and even storing all the extra modules and build plates when organized was relatively simple. The H2D earns its place as best overall because it combines superb 3D printing with genuine multifunction creativity in a single machine. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.